physical therapist at Orthopedic Associates of Naperville. Today, I'm going to review some basic exercises to help with knee pain. Knee pain is a common problem that quite often requires physical therapy to treat. But what you may not know is that hip weakness can be a contributing factor to what is causing pain at the knee. Weakness of your hip muscles, in particular your gluteus medius muscle, can affect the position of your thigh and knee. When your gluteus medius muscle becomes weak, it allows your thigh to rotate and pull inwards abnormally. This position can put excessive stress and strain around your knee joint and the kneecap, also known as the patella. I'm going to show you a few hip strengthening exercises that can easily be performed at home in order to prevent or help decrease knee pain. The first exercise is called laying on your side leg raise, also known as hip abduction or moving the leg away from the body. What you're going to do is you're going to lay on your side with your bottom knee bent for stability and your top leg straight. Keeping your knee locked out, you're going to raise your leg slightly up in the air and down, making sure not to bring your hip forward while performing these. You want to keep your hip slightly behind you and lift up and down, nice and easy, 10 times. You're going to perform 2 to 3 sets of these, and as you are able, you can start progressively putting ankle weight as they become easier to progress the exercise, to challenge yourself a little more. The second exercise is also done laying on your side, and it's called the side lying clamshell. And for this exercise, you're going to keep both of your knees bent while you lay on your side. You're going to keep your feet together, and you're going to lift your top leg up to the ceiling and down. Again, you're going to perform this 10 times, and you're going to do 2 to 3 sets of this as you are able. As this becomes easier, you can use a TheraBand around your knees to progress the activity and give your hip muscles a little resistance to work with and strengthen. Again, up and down with the knee, keeping your feet together. Make sure that you're not rolling backwards during this activity, but maintaining a side-lying position. The third exercise to target your hip musculature is going to be standing, and it's going to be a one-legged squat. For balance, it might be easier to hold on to a countertop just to help until you start getting strong. What you're going to do is you're going to stand on your painful leg. You're going to lift your other leg in the air, and keeping your knee and your hips slightly bent, you're going to bend down into a squat, making sure to stick your bottom out like you're sitting in a chair. Make sure that your knee doesn't come over your toe when you're doing this. And again, you're going to do this 10 times, and you're going to do 2 to 3 sets as you're able to. The last activity to help strengthen your hip muscles is a band walk. And what you're going to do is you're going to tie a TheraBand around your ankles, and keeping your legs so that there's tension on the band, you're going to keep your hips and knees slightly bent, and you're going to take steps off to the side and back the other way. Make sure your toes are pointed forward and your hips stay forward too throughout this activity. You're going to do this for 1 minute and progress to 2 minutes as that becomes easier. There are lots of activities you can do to help strengthen the hips in order to keep your knees pain-free, but those are just a few good ones that are easy to perform at home. I hope this helps with your knee pain. Thank you, and have a great day.